Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to download the statement of your Bank of America account, then this video is for you. So here you can see if you're on website, then you can do is log into your account. Then start by visiting the Bank of America's website, that is www.bankofamerica.com. Then spot the login section, then great, pop in your online ID and password there. Then find the statement. Then once you are in, look for a section called statements and documents under the accounts tab. Then dive into the section and you should see a list of statements. Choose the one you need. Now here it's download time. Once you find your desired statement, there should be a download option or a download icon, the down arrow, usually represented with a downward arrow on the word download. Then click on it and your statement will typically download as a PDF file. Now if you're using the official BOFF app, then open and log in the app. So fire up the Bank of America app on your smartphone, then log in with your credentials. Then log into your statement. On the main dashboard or menu, there should be a statements and documents or similar option. This will lead you to a list of your statement. Tap on the one you are after. The most recent ones will appear on the top. To view all statements from tax statements to credit, card, year and summaries, go to view all section. Now let's download. Just like on the website, there should be a download icon or option. Tap it. Then your statement will then be saved to your device, usually as a PDF file. Then you can use a PDF reader to get all the view of your PDF. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.